Hello. Um, I woke up this morning and right away I was thinking about things in my past. It, so this is just showing me all my fears. It's also showing me often it's what I want or think I want to escape to assuage my fears. So it's just not even being here. I'm not actually here. So I always relate things to the violin. When I play, it's so the focus has to be so directed. You have to be so present, and there's so many things to be aware of that if you just relax with it, you get very directed. So if I'm here and I'm just facing what is here and using my common sense to figure out, just being here, if there's something I want to change, I have to practically look at what I commonsensically can do here, because hiding in some wishing and wanting for someone or something in my past as a story, then I'm not here. And often the stories that I'm existing as things from my past that I want to cling to are all of what we are told to be as a system. I mean, look at advertising, look at movies. They are what we exist as instead of being here, instead of directing ourselves here. Now, that's not to say that there's not a truth or something in the stories or things that we have that are not um, precious or just a part of life. But when I'm in my mind and I'm thinking about the past, it's me not actually being here and directing myself with what life actually is here. Just accepting what's here and not clinging to values as what I'm supposed to be or what I'm supposed to look like. So the principle of what is best for all is the sound of life, because what is best for all is to actually be here in common sense, accepting what's here, being what's here. And your mind is like a bunch of stories with limited values that don't include everything. And all the things you're wishing and wanting for to escape from here, just because there's a fear of being here, but there's something here to fear, and thus what is here and moving is what is best for all is the sound of life. And it's, in a way, just being absolutely directed without fear, without judgment. So, thank you.